there, welcome to another video of SwiftCat. In this video, I'm going to explore the planets in space through a VisionOS app. Here I have the planets from left, starting from Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune to the right corner. So I have already prepared the project for this video. So what it have is it's having some objects and going to do some animations. So in this video I'm not going to write or build the project from scratch. Instead I will provide the source code for your reference. If you haven't done this VisionOS, or if you're starting for the first time, I recommend you to go through the previous videos which I did before, so that it explains how we can start with the reality kit, all these things. So in one of my previous video I have explained how we can build the first VisionOS app in just 15 minutes, just tracking an object and few navigations like this. Alright, so I have provided the link. I will provide this link also in my video description. Then if you have some basics about this VisionOS, then you're ready to go. So I have the source code over here. So what you need to do is you just take this URL and just download the source. I will be providing in my video description as well. So once you download, so what we have is I have my Xcode. First thing is first I have the Planet VisionOS, which is having the body, which is having the main. This is the main screen, and from there it goes another one. This the main screen is from the content view actually, and the Immersive it's an view which is having the planet. I have the planet view inside the different way. So first when we go to the content view, it just shows when the app launches, what it does is it simply shows show planets, and when you click on the button it goes to the another view which is of open immersed space. So that I have the see, this is the preview. So this will be the screen which when you start run, and when it launches you can see just like this. It shows show planets button over there and a window over there. So when you click that, it goes to the planet view. Here I have what is just loading the reality view. So inside the reality view I have an entity called head, and that I will go and explain you over here. So I'm going to this package, so where you can find this reality objects, to show you how the objects have been placed inside the scene, all these things. So have here, this is a scene which is provided default. I'm not using that. I have here the head, which I named it as head, and inside this I have the objects for the earth and all these things, right? So it takes some time to load. Okay, here I have. So I have here the objects which I said all this is planets which I taken from the library. From here if you go there you can find these objects. So I just downloaded and drag it over here, which is of the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. All the things just arranged it from those things. Our objects are available in our library content from Apple. That's why I did that. Alright, so I placed from here in the reality kit, and what it did is I just if you click on the each object, so I just click on the one of the object, and you can find here add component, and you just need to add input target, and also one more thing is collision. These two physical, it's about collision, what happens if the user clicks on that, that's it. Okay, and about the input target, so what we need to do when you click that, that's the symbol. So I did for each and every object the same thing, and after saving this I'm just going back to the planet view, and from there what I did is I'm going to when we click from the show planet button, so it goes to this planet view. Alright, so from here it goes to it shows the scene when it got loaded, and the entity which I named as head, which I said already saved this scene as head in my reality kit. So it will be starting loading, and what it does is when you tap on any of the planet, that's the main thing. When you touch or tap on any of the planet, it starts moving, which means it will be rotating. That's what means like. So it is a timer which I kept it here to trigger. So when you click on the each planet, it will be start rotating. Easy as simple. So that's it, and finally when you dismiss, it goes to the main view. So simple, and that's the main thing. And this is where which when you after running this, you'll be finding this. You can change the content to your things, like you can change the frame, or else the environment in a different way. I'm using here is the daylight museum, then I use the kitchen daylight as well. So that's all. It's very easy and simple, and I have provided your required links in my video description as well, so that you can just go through and check what I have for you guys. All right. So that's all in this video. I hope this is for this video is actually meant for just exploring the planets through a VisionOS app, which is for a basic okay, and with some few rotation animations as well. So that's all in this video. So if you, I hope this video could help someone else. All right. All right. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.